Hello everyone, today I will show you how to disassemble iPhone 8 Plus and replace display module. To disassemble iPhone 8 Plus you need the following tools: screwdriver set, plastic mediator, section cup for removing display, tweezers, opening plastic tool, and any hairdryer. In the description under the video I leave link to necessary tools and parts for replacement. Before disassemble, turn off the iPhone and remove the SIM card tray. Take a screwdriver pintle-lobe 0.8 mm and unscrew the two screws near charging port. Take a hairdryer and heat display surface for 1 or 2 minutes. Next, fix the section cup near home button and pull up on the ring. Take a plastic mediator and try to separate the display from the iPhone. If you cannot separate using a mediator, you can take a plastic card. Open the display to the right side like a book. Unscrew 4 screws and remove the metal panel. I also recommend using a magnetic mat when disassembling the iPhone 8 Plus, and lay out screws in the order of the disassembly process, because all screws are different size and it's enough just to get confused during assembly. Disconnect the battery cable from the iPhone motherboard. Unscrew 2 screws and remove the metal panel. Now you can disconnect 3 cables of display from the motherboard. To replace the broken screen with a new one, you need to remove the front camera with speaker and the home button. Unscrew 5 screws and remove the metal panel. Now remove the speaker. Turn over the display and hit the surface where the front camera located. Now gently peel off the cable from the display module. Unscrew 4 screws and remove the metal panel. Turn over the display and hit the surface of the bottom. This will help you more safely remove cable of the home button. Carefully disconnect the display cable from the home button cable. Now gently remove the home button cable. Press down on the button and remove it. Unscrew 5 screws on each side of display and 1 screw on the top. Remove the cable from the metal panel, and metal panel can be removed from the display. The display disassembled, and at this stage you can begin to install a new display. In the description under the video you can find link where you can buy new display for iPhone 8 Plus. Set the metal panel on the new display and fasten 5 screws. Set the home button into the case and connect the button cable to the display cable. Set the metal panel and fasten 4 screws. Let's begin the installation of the front camera and proximity sensors. Then glue the cable to the model case. Set the ear speaker. Next, install the metal holder on top and fasten 5 screws. The display module assembled, and now you can begin to the test before the final assembly. To check functionality of our smartphone function, it is enough to connect 3 cables from the display module and then the battery cable. Turn over the display, turn on the iPhone and check how iPhone works before final assembly. Remove the old adhesive tape from the iPhone case. Take the medicine alcohol and wipe the case. Also wipe the display case. Now, begin to restore the water resistance of the iPhone 8 Plus. For this, take a waterproof adhesive tape. A link to this adhesive tape you can find in the description under the video. First, connect 3 cables of the display module to the iPhone 8 Plus motherboard and only then connect the battery cable. Install the metal panel and fasten all screws. Turn over the display and press it all the way around the perimeter of the iPhone display. Fasten the last 2 screws near the charging port and install the SIM card tray. Turn on iPhone 8 Plus and use a smartphone.